Welcome to Exit and Emergency, Episode 8. I'm Exit Sign 250, and let's jump right into it. So above my door in my room, we have a Dual-Lite's R2CX exit sign. This is a fully metal sign. It's also fully incandescent, and it's AC only. All AC only means is just it'll only work when the power's on and not when the power's off. So again, fully incandescent. However, I replaced the incandescent bulbs with LED ones. I only do that because it saves some power. The sign won't get as hot, so the red diffuser won't fade, and I guess I won't have to replace them as often too. It does look kind of yellowy right there. That's not how it is in person. It's just red. It's just how the camera picks it up. Cool sign. I've always been a fan of incandescent stuff, and really like this one here. I think it looks great. Moving over here, I have a Dual-Lite's PathLinks emergency light. These are pretty cool. I do like the design of them. Obviously, this one's black housing. However, I'm not really a fan of the adjustments. You can kind of see they look strange. This guy is pointing behind a mirror, and the other one's pointing at a window. Now, why would I adjust them like that? Well, on the heads themselves, they have these weird-looking lens things, and you can spin them. And depending on how you spin them, that's where it points the light. So to some extent, it doesn't matter how you adjust the heads themselves, as long as you have the lens adjusted, which can be annoying. So basically, the light doesn't shoot directly out of the head. It only shoots to the side, and then you can spin it so it'll shoot, differently. So again, this one's pointed behind a mirror, but it's actually lighted over here. And like I said, the other one's pointing at a window, that window, and it's pointed kind of over here. It kind of shoots here too. So really strange. I don't like that, but you'll see more of this when I cut the power and simulate a power outage. Moving to the other side of my room, I have again another black housing emergency light. This is an E-top lighting emergency light. This is a non-adjustable or fixed optics emergency light, just meaning there's nothing to adjust. It just kind of spreads light everywhere. Not really a fan of those because if you install them pretty high up, they don't do anything. Plus, adjustments are key because, there might be specific areas you want light. But I do like these a little bit more than the typical ones that don't have reflectors, because these do have reflectors, and it also has a cool looking checkerboard. Don't know how well you can see it, but there's reflectors in there, which makes it a little bit brighter than typical ones. Again, this is by E-top lighting. Don't really know what the model is on the top of my head. It's probably something weird. Give it a test, and also it's incandescent too. So pretty cool emergency light. So again, since there's no adjustments, it kind of just lights up everywhere, okay. I would say maybe this is the max height for one of these, and then it'll also light up the ceiling. So anyway, yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and simulate a power outage in here and see how well these emergency lights do. Alright, now that we've simulated a power outage, let me show you around. So of course the R2CX is off. And yeah, you can see, even like I said with that weird adjustment, it's still shining here. Like I said, this is probably my least favorite emergency light for adjustments. But, I guess it still gets the job done. And then the other head is just pointing, nowhere. And it lights up here, kind of close to these panels, and also lights up here. And, kind of scatters the light around. And then the non-adjustable over here takes over, and it kind of looks more brighter on the video than in person. But like I said, this one has reflectors in it, so it's going to do it better than the standard generic non-adjustable incandescents that have no reflectors. So it's better than one of those. Still not a fan of non-adjustable, but it's okay. It's decent, I guess. I can still see and do what I need to do. But yeah, so that's what's in here. And now let's move on to the other room. And in here is the E-top lighting all LED combo. I don't know if I'd consider this generic, even though E-top lighting is the only one that brands it. They actually have a patent on it, so it's just them that makes and sells it. It's just very cheap. Even the canopy, it just wobbles around too much, and the LED lights all around are just crappy. There's probably like a million LED lights in there, and it doesn't even light up really well. The arrow's not even lit up, and this thing lasts around 45 or 50 minutes, so even it being brand new when I got it with a fresh battery. I mean, cool design though, I guess. So this head's pointed here, and then the opposite one about right here. So I'm going to go and turn off the lights, shut off the power to it, and we'll see what it does. Before I turn it into emergency mode, I just wanted to show you guys it in the pitch black dark. So again, not really bright. You can see even with the arrow, it's hard to really see in person. It's just dimly lit. It's just not really a bright combo, I guess, overall, but let's see what it does in emergency mode. Okay, so we are now in emergency mode. Again, and it's an okay brightness. So there you go. So but yeah, that's the combo. So I wouldn't, these things are okay, I guess. The thing that annoys me the most is the exit lettering is not really bright, but the emergency light heads are decently bright, I guess. Definitely not the brightest, but they're not crappy. So anyway, well, that's gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Tell me what your favorite unit was in the comments, and yeah, guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another one.